Welcome to the peaceful depths of the ocean. Tonight, we invite you to join our ocean family for a soothing journey to dreamland. Close your eyes and feel the gentle rhythm of the waves, guiding you to a restful sleep. Hello, clownfish. You've been playing hide and seek with your colorful friends all day. Now it's time to rest and recharge. Can you say good night to the clownfish and wish it sweet dreams? Hello, crab. You've been scuttling along the ocean floor on little adventures today. Now, curl up and let the soft sand and gentle tide comfort you. Whisper a quiet goodnight to the crab. Hello, dolphin. You've been leaping joyfully through sparkling waves under the bright sun. Now, the calm of the evening invites you to slow down. Send a warm goodnight to the dolphin and let your heart be light. Hello, octopus. You've been exploring every secret corner of the coral reefs today. Now, allow the gentle tide to wrap you in its soothing embrace. Can you say a soft goodnight to the octopus? Hello, seahorse. You've been drifting gracefully in the tender currents all day long. Now, it's time to nestle into a cozy spot and rest. Whisper a tender goodnight to the seahorse. Hello, sea lion. You've been splashing and playing with your friends under the bright blue sky. Now, let the evening calm wrap you in its peaceful glow. Can you offer a cheerful goodnight to the sea lion? Hello, shark. You've been patrolling the deep blue waters with grace and strength. Even a mighty shark needs the serenity of the night. Can you whisper a respectful goodnight to the shark? Hello, turtle. You've journeyed through winding currents and secret coves today. Now, retreat into your gentle shell and let the world outside fade away. Can you say goodnight to the turtle and wish it a peaceful rest? Hello, whale. You've sung deep, beautiful melodies across the endless ocean today. Now, let the soft hum of the sea lull you into a gentle slumber. Send a heartfelt good night to the whale. You've glided silently beneath the shimmering surface with graceful wings. Now, rest your delicate fins as the ocean cradles you in calm. Can you say a soft goodnight to the manta ray? Hello, jellyfish. You've danced with the gentle currents, glowing softly in the twilight. Now, let your luminous form slowly drift into dreams. Whisper a quiet goodnight to the jellyfish. All our ocean friends are now tucked in and resting peacefully. They've enjoyed a day full of adventures and playful moments, and now they embrace the calm of the night. Now, it's your turn to join this ocean lullaby. Close your eyes and imagine the gentle waves, the soft glow of the moon, and the tender whispers of the sea. Let the rhythm of the tide guide you to a deep, restful sleep. Dream of underwater adventures and the loving care of our ocean family.